Day 283 of Everyday Steak, a channel where I cook a steak every day for no other reason than I love steak. Nah. Nope. No. Not today. Haha. Cooking it in the microwave was mostly a joke, but I was actually pretty surprised that it turned out not so bad. It was a little bit chewy, but I know how to fix that. I'll add some A1 sauce. Overall, I probably wouldn't do this to a nicer cut. A chuck eye steak is pretty cheap, and I think this one was $3 or $4. Still with steak, definitely not my preferred method, but trying something different.